applause to Rhythms of India. Please welcome Rhythms of India, who are here to conduct this contest here for you. And I would like to say a few words about our Shubji here. She has come all the way from Canada. Give her a big round of applause. And Rhythms of India will be teaching you some Bhangra steps. Observe keen, very observation is important because she'll be teaching a lot of mudras, special mudras of Bhangra. Because when the judges are selecting the winners, they'll be looking at the special mudras of Bhangra. Okay? And so she'll be teaching you, and also we need high energy from you. And over to Shib, and wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Lataji. Thank you for the kind words. Is everyone ready to actually win something today? And you know, no pain, no gain. So you have to show us that you can do something worthwhile so that we can select you to win something. Before we do that, our group is ready. They're gonna do a little demo / performance for you. Then I'll come back on the stage and I'll teach you 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll tell you exactly what they're called. And then you incorporate those 5 steps into the workshop that we do. And then we'll send our minions to go and pick out 30 people to come on stage and win. And out of those 30, then we'll eliminate a few, and then we'll pick the last 5, and of course the last 2 are the grand winners. Make sense? Okay. If you're gonna do Bhangra, you're gonna have to have the right lingo. Okay? So the right lingo is Bale Bale! There you go. All right. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? You're supposed to say Bale Bale. Does it make sense? All right, group, come on up. We'll start with the performance. Trust me, it's gonna go really fast, okay? But it'll get you in the right mode, okay? All right, thank you so much. पीछे ही रख लेना